Lima Papa Roger Squawk 1200 radio services terminated. Frequency change to White Unicom 135.0 approved. Good day.
Good night, Roger. You can proceed to the runway.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Forward Aviation. We hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. Today begins the start of a brand new series. We are hoping to post new videos to this series at least once a month, but it will all depend on our upload schedule and other videos that are in the works. Before we go into more detail about today's video, we would like to share that today's video is made possible by Audio Library, a Creative Commons resource containing hundreds of quality music tracks, great for all your video needs. And the best part? They are all copyright free. If you want to check out Audio Library, use the link in the description below. Now, back to our series. Have you ever looked at all the airlines that connect the world together through travel and wondered, what does it actually take to start an airline? Well, it takes a lot of effort, money, and perseverance, but our channel hopes to break down the process of starting an airline for you to understand. In today's episode, we'll be talking about why someone starts an airline in the first place, and how a company establishes their market before moving on to purchasing planes and selling tickets to passengers. So, without any more delay, let's get flying. To start off, one may want to begin an airline because they feel a certain component is missing in the airline industry. Whether it be the lack of a certain route or an experience that is missing for the passengers, one's reason for starting an airline will always be different from one another, but how they pursue its creation will be largely similar. Prior to beginning the logistics of starting an airline, you're going to need to find yourself a team of executives to form some sort of board to oversee the airline. You will most likely want a group of individuals with different expertises in marketing, financial management, business leadership, public communication, graphic design, and someone with a decent grasp on aviation. Next, you have to establish yourself as a business in a certain country, and this is a very important step for the foundation of your airline. Establishing an airline in a certain country may have perks over another. Some countries may have economic aid you can apply for, where others require large business taxes. So choosing the right country is key for creating a successful airline. The next important step in creating your airline is finding which market you want to be a part of. Do you want to fly cargo, regional or domestic routes, international, small hops in the mountains, maybe a mix of a few things. But finding the market that is best for your airline is what may set you apart or place you in a position of failure. Choosing a market can be difficult at first, but you can always grow in one market and gain successes and then try entering another. A great way to determine which market to choose is looking at transportation statistics and economic factors. Like right now, it probably is pretty risky to start a passenger airline because there's limited traffic due to COVID-19. However, a cargo airline or medical supply transport service would most likely flourish because the demand in those markets are very high presently. Well, that's it for this episode. It's pretty short and sweet, but the foundation for your airline requires a great deal of consideration and planning. Thank you very much for tuning into our video today. We hope you like and comment and subscribe to become a Forward Aviator and stay up to date with all our channel has to offer by hitting the bell icon. If you want to follow us on Instagram or Twitter, you can use the listed handles on the screen or the links in the description. To hear more about Forward Aviation and to join our community, join the Forward Aviation Discord link below. We hope you join us for next week's video, and we thank you for flying with us today on Forward Aviation.